Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome back to Uncle Lou's Kitchen. Today we are making the easiest item on the Chinese takeaway menu, and that is Chinese sweet corn soup. Okay. Once you know how to recreate this, it is so accurate you will never order this again. Never. Okay. It makes 4 portions. We're making a vegan version today, which means there are no eggs and there is no chicken. If you want to add the eggs, you're going to need 2 eggs. Other than that, easiest thing in the world to make. If you like vegan and vegetarian recipes, please do click the like button and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. And other than that, I'm going to show you now the ingredients and then we're going to get cooking. Thank you very much.
Okay, so to start off, we're going to use 1 large can of sweet corn. You're looking at between 400 to 500 grams. You want 1.5 liters of water. As you can see, I've added a chicken stock cube to the water already. Now, I use a vegan chicken stock, which doesn't contain chicken, but because the original recipe does have chicken in there, that's what's going to give it that well-known flavour. It's the mix of the chicken and the sweet corn that makes it really nice. I am using 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. This is a sweet soup, okay? I'm using optional MSG, so I'm only using 1 teaspoon of that. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. I generally do add it to Chinese dishes. I find that it brings out the magic. It's up to you. If you don't want to use it, don't use it. We like it hot, so I've added 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. You don't have to use chili if you don't want to, and you can use any chili you want, really. There's no set type. So as you can see, in that cup, I have 1/4 cup of cornstarch. If you don't have cornstarch, you can use potato starch or flour. And to that, you're going to add 1/4 cup of warm water. And at the end, just to make it pretty and extra tasty, I'm going to add some spring onion on top. Just before we continue, if you do not have a blender, feel free to use a potato masher. Just make sure that you're leaving the consistency thick enough.
Okay, so I've transferred from the bowl into my little ninja cup here. In fact, just before I do that, I'm going to add a little bit of the stock in there just to help it blend. Okay, what we're going to want to do is give it just 2 or 3 pulses. You're not looking to turn this into some kind of puree. This is not a polenta we're making here. Okay, you do still want it chunky. So, just going to give it 1, 2, 3. Literally, that's all you need. Okay. So then you'll find that it's a paste, but you've still got your chunks in there. Okay. Okay. So once you finish mashing the sweet corn, just add everything straight away into the pot. This is the kind of consistency sweet corn that you're looking for. Like I said, you're not looking to make a puree out of it. You still want some solids. Okay, I've added the sugar, the teaspoon of optional MSG, and the chili flakes, as you can see. At the end, I'm going to add the garnish, but whilst that's boiling, I'm going to make a slurry out of the cornstarch. I'm going to show you how to do that in a bit.
So the next step is to boil it for around 10 to 15 minutes and add a bit of salt to taste. And then we're going to add the slurry to it to finish it off.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is make the slurry. So we've got the 1/4 cup of cornstarch. What we're going to do, we're going to add another 1/4 cup until you reach the 1/2 cup. We're doing it with warm water, okay, until there's no more lumps. 1 second. You'll feel it, there's going to be some lumps here. That's not good, right? So the goal is to get it where it's, oopsie daisy, smooth. Okay, right, this is what you call a slurry, okay? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to slowly add it. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is add it slowly but surely to the mix until the soup becomes a thick consistency. Okay, so you're looking to get it like a kind of gluey consistency, okay? And once that's done, there you go, you'll see that the sweet corn and everything will float. It won't sink to the bottom anymore. After that, just give it a taste, see if it needs any more sugar or any more salt to your taste, and that's it. Serve it up. Okay, so this is the kind of texture that you're looking for. As you can see, it's like very gluey. Usually you'd add 2 liters of water for this if you're going to add 2 eggs into it. But because I haven't added the eggs, in order to get this kind of gluey consistency, you're only adding 1.5 liters of water. And you're going to do the 1/4 cup of cornstarch to get it to this kind of consistency. And that's about it. This is very, very yummy. Okay, enjoy it. Try it out. It's so quick and so easy to make. Like I said, the only optional ingredients you'd need, optional, are the MSG and the chili flakes. We prefer it hot, so we added the chili. Other than that, sweet corn, cornstarch, water, sugar, and salt. Oh, and obviously the chicken flavoured stock, vegan or vegetarian. That's it. 4 ingredients that are musts. And that's good to go. Oh, and I forgot to say, if you did enjoy this video, please do give it a thumbs up and a subscribe. It would be very, very much appreciated.